If you're using Revolut and you love it and you want to share it with your friends, this is super easy to do. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to share or invite your friends to Revolut. Guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome to App IQ. And if you're not, welcome back. Now, all you have to do is just open up the Revolut app. It doesn't matter which currency you will have. Once you'll start to scroll down, you will see the advertisement here that says invite friends, right? So you can simply click on that invite friends to earn, and you tap on that, and here you basically see what you need to do to invite your friends, right? So sign up with your Revolut link, add money to their account, order their physical card, and make 3 purchases of, let's say, depending on the currency that you have. In my case, it says 100 Czech crowns minimum, and guess what? You will be rewarded with that money right there. So that's all that my friends will have to do for me to earn that money right there. So you can simply go ahead and click on invite friends, and you can just use whatever social app you have on your phone to share that, whether that's going to be through WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, email, whatever it may be. You can go ahead and you can simply share the link to Revolut with your friends. But that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.